We are destroying the world, our home, the home of our future generation, and the lives of all living things are at stake. And the sad thing is, most of us don't even realize it.
Donna, it is chaos, really. You hear the emergency sirens going, but I need to show you, it's not just on the border. This is Fort McMurray burning this afternoon, Donna. We're right in the thick of it. This is Highway 63, the main corridor, and we're in downtown. We're not far.
Floods, mothers and their children suddenly surrounded by those rising waters. The death toll growing as we come on the air, at least 12 now dead. The frightening images tonight out of Utah, the raging waters, and see how
It all begins with the unsustainable act of cutting down trees. But the vision of the Department of Forestry is the leader in forest sustainability and innovations for small island economies. One of the ways in which we try to promote forest sustainability is through community awareness. For quite a number of years, the department has been advocating on the conservation of forests, targeting mostly the adults and the youths, but the result is quite not rewarding. Thus, the Educating Children to Impact Generations program is a new way of awareness the department has come up with to face this fruitless drive. The program exists to equip young minds on the usefulness and significance of our forests and trained to be ambassadors of the department. Ratu Simon Rsrms Memorial School in Vakambuli was chosen to be the pilot school of this program. The impacts of deforestation is quite visible on the land where the school sits. Also, there was a landslide a couple of years ago that claimed the lives of few people. The challenge now is the way forward. Therefore, the children will initiate a reforestation project for the school and the Vanua of Vakambuli.
Educating children to impact generation. Oxygen kena go tahu ni kata lang atara mo nasi siningel rena ka na atara na kati ko nasi siningel go bita na ni kong sa mustiko dala ka tika na na sa nasi siningel mo sa waka kuna me mal na kana bale abi ko sila le na ka mapai tara mo nasi siningel kena lagi bula si oxygen kena go Wanan rak kata-kata.
Katal na nanda beko. Kenda baka minda garaw na me ko na garaw na gaitete na kamana rani baka mana beko. Reda na koni saka kamatu na lo ni dana singa. Bam bimbitu ben nanda bam lebna ndu baka makam.
Program ko bale tener to ukike mami sanaka me kimam do koni usko bakabitalia na ngi total kena sis nange marta ka bale bina bulung kam bala tani bata bli da le bunaka ambimbinga mo ko nindo bakam italia lata rabun ka rtungo hertanga naman man tahu buli dana yang bukau na bukau
You're not the only one who feels like this, feeling like you lose more than you win, like life is just an endless hill you